Imagine a screen protector that not only guards your phone, but also your secrets. This one promises exactly that, and a whole lot more, for your new Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. What immediately caught my attention with the Ferilinso Privacy Screen Protector is its bold claim of true 25-degree privacy. And honestly, it delivers. Using new materials from Germany, this protector creates an ultra-narrow viewing angle. From just 25 degrees off-center, anyone trying to peek at your screen sees nothing but a deep, inky black. It's a genuinely impressive 130-degree anti-spying range, giving you powerful privacy protection in any public setting. No more worrying about sensitive information being exposed on your commute or in a busy cafe. But privacy is just one piece of the puzzle. Let's talk about installation, which is often the most frustrating part of any screen protector. Ferilinso has a breakthrough here with its auto-dusting and adhesive technology. Seriously, it includes everything you need, and the process is almost unbelievably easy. The innovative automatic positioning and dust removal system means you just place it, and it practically installs itself in seconds, bubble-free and perfectly aligned. It's a game changer for anyone who dreads applying screen protectors. Once it's on, you barely notice it. The design is incredibly clever, with a reinforced 1/3D curved black edge that seamlessly blends with your S25 Ultra's screen. It fully covers every curve, leaving no vulnerable edges exposed to dust or scratches. And crucially, it's designed to be compatible with 99.99% of phone cases. So you don't have to sacrifice your favorite case for protection. Durability is another major win. This isn't just any glass. We're talking 9H plus tempered glass, a material widely used in aerospace and military applications. It's shatterproof, incredibly scratch and wear resistant, and boasts durability that's 8 to 10 times superior to many others. It truly feels like you're adding a second, incredibly tough screen to your S25 Ultra. Despite all this protection, the screen experience remains top-notch. Ferilinso claims an Ultra HD bare screen experience with 99.99% optical clarity, and I found the visuals to be crisp and vibrant, just as you'd expect from your S25 Ultra. Face ID works perfectly, and touch sensitivity is completely unaffected. Plus, thanks to their special Ferilinso Silk technology, fingerprints and smudges are drastically reduced, keeping your screen looking clean and new. And they didn't stop there. The package also includes 3 high-quality camera lens protectors. Given how much the S25 Ultra's lenses stand out, this is a welcome addition. Made from sapphire material and 9H plus glass, these offer military-grade protection against daily wear and impacts, all while maintaining high light transmittance to ensure your photos retain their true essence, vibrant colors, and crisp details. Overall, the Ferilinso Privacy Protector package delivers on its ambitious promises, offering robust protection, genuine peace of mind, and an incredibly user-friendly experience for your S25 Ultra.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.